Since we're finishing the Dodge, we're going to replace the oil pressure switch, and it has the red lock. So we're going to push the red lock through, pull it, squeeze it, pull up. Then we're just going to take a 3/8 drive with our oil pressure switch socket. It'll slide right down on, just like so. And grip it. It shouldn't be that tight. So we're gonna just get loose. We'll spin it out in the hand. There we go. There's the old one. Make sure it looks like the new one. It does, except for color. Color doesn't matter. We're gonna start it by hand. Nice twist backward, forward. Just want it to line up. Just want to make sure it's starting in there easy and straight. We have it. So we turn it till we can't turn it no more. You notice I'm grabbing it by the metal piece. I don't want to put any force on the plastic. We're gonna slip our socket on there. Make sure it's engaged down on the metal. Don't want to be turning on any of the plastic. We're gonna engage our ratchet and we're just gonna snug it back up. See, I'm just using, see my thumb? Oh, I'm just using a 3/8 drive. Okay, 3/8 drive ratchet. That off there. And we're gonna put our new oil pressure switch on. It'll click into place. And then we engage the red lock. And that's it. Thank you.